This review is of Meijer Stevia Extract Baking Blend, a mix of 0-calorie stevia extract and sugar. 75 fewer calories per serving than sugar. Bakes and browns like sugar. Well, duh, it's got sugar in it. It's gluten-free, and it is kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. Here is a recipe for mocha brownies. Ooh. The catch is you have to have unsalted butter or margarine, which is hard to find, the unsalted margarine, and it's quite expensive. And here are some information. 10 calories in a teaspoon, even though there's no such thing actually as calories other than on paper. No fat, cholesterol, sodium, or protein. 4 grams of carbs, of which half are added sugars. And this is made of erythritol, sugar, and stevia leaf extract. Do try to avoid it if it's got sucralose, sorbitol, maltitol, xylitol, maltodextrin, dextrin. I think that's all. Avoid those. You can probably get it by with mannitol, and erythritol is definitely safe if you've got like diabetes and whatever. But the other ones will give you a blood sugar spike of some degree. All right, let's go ahead and try. So since this is a mixture of 3 different sweeteners, some of it is very, very fine. So if you close the bag suddenly, you'll get a puff of sweetener dust, probably from the erythritol and stevia. So I'm going to try this. I'm not sure I'm going to like this. It's a lot. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Somehow, it was more pleasant than I had anticipated. The only problem is it's got a lot of sugar in it, and I have problems with my blood sugar spiking. I didn't, because of the bad writing, the very bad coloration here. I didn't notice that it had sugar in it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought it, because the last one that I had from Aldi, which was their stevia brand, which has maltodextrin in it, causes me to have blood sugar spikes. So I wanted something that wasn't going to spike my blood sugar levels. And Meijer. Thought I found a great deal, and I found a crappy deal. So as far as flavor is concerned, I'll give this an 8.5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.